Hey guys, if you have a small sewing space like me, then you know how quickly things can get out of control. Today I'm sharing 3 must-have Amazon finds that completely transform my sewing area, keeping it organized, functional, and stress-free. The first thing that I had to get to help me organize my small sewing room is this 11Q bookcase. I spent all day yesterday trying to put it together myself. The instructions called for a second person, so I did have to get some help so that way I can put it together quickly. It took about an hour to put together, so it didn't take very long. But you do have to pay attention because I kept putting the shelves on backwards. And it was kind of getting a little tedious because we had to undo some of the shelves to make sure everything was put on the right way. That bookshelf wore me out. Like after we put the bookshelf together, I was so tired, but I did clean up a little bit so that way I can start putting everything on the bookshelf. I was tired. I was super excited to get the fabric onto the bookshelves and just to start organizing the bookshelf the way I really wanted to. It's the perfect solution for keeping all your fabric organized. Also, if you have things that you want to put in little bins, they fit perfectly in the cubes. It's very functional, and I just feel so stress-free with knowing that I can just grab a piece of fabric, see what I have on the shelf. For this bookcase, this was also a game changer because I was able to take all the little pieces of fabric that I have and wrap them around these cardboard pieces. They are 8.5 by 11 pieces of cardboard, and I didn't spend much on this. These were 21 bucks. So this is how I keep the fabric organized on the bookcase. I bought this set of 100 pieces of cardboard, and I took all the small cuts of fabric that I had and folded it around these pieces of cardboard. They come with a whole bag of these little alligator clips, and it's just so perfect to just keep your fabric organized and wrap them around these boards. Like, I really don't know why I didn't get these cardboard pieces sooner, because they really just keep everything nice and visible, just like in a fabric store, and I can just easily see my inventory, grab the fabric that I need, and just make whatever project I'm making. So I think I'm gonna enjoy organizing all of my fabric on these little cardboard pieces. So I took a little break yesterday after putting up the bookcase, and I had to get back at it because I really wanted to use these cardboard pieces to wrap the fabric around and start organizing the fabric on the bookshelf. It just really keeps things visible, organized, and it's just super easy to grab what you need with these. And lastly, the third must-have that I got from Amazon is a Pegboard wall organizer. It's really cute because it's pink, and you guys know I love pink, but I was able to put this pegboard up myself really easily. It didn't take much time at all, and the cute little baskets and bins just make it really nice to put all of your cutters and scissors on, but you'll see that as I put it up. On the back of the pegboard, there were 2 sticky panels on each one, so it was really easy to stick to the wall. And then after you stick it on the wall where you want it to go, you just remove the pegboard and then nail the little sticky panel into the wall just to give it a little bit of extra security. So after putting up the bookshelf and wrapping all that fabric, today, as I was putting up the pegboard, I had put on some music and I was just dancing and just really thinking about how much I got done in my sewing room, and just excited to have all this new organization and just really make everything a really nice space. So when I come in here, I can create without having the clutter. Finally, I really like this little pegboard because now I can keep all my scissors. It has little baskets that you can put things in to keep things organized. I have my cutters in this little basket right here. You can decorate it the way you want to for your sewing room, but this was definitely a lifesaver. No more looking around in drawers for things. It's all right here. I also have my iPad right here, so this was perfect as well. So when I want to play some music, I have my iPad right here to do so. So these these are 3 things that I found on Amazon that I really think helped organize my sewing space. And if you're looking to tidy up your sewing room, I'll link everything in the description below. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite sewing organization hack. And so I hope this helps you tidy up your sewing space. And until next time, keep sewing and stay girly. Bye.